good thing I'm drunk.
Don't you worry, you're too fine. We got one thing on our minds.
That many dreams within dreams within dreams, dreams within dreams. That many. This is too unstable.
Where are you gonna be?
I gotta go visit Eames.
Eames? No, he's
in the club, bottle full of bub. Look, mommy, I got the ex again and taking drugs.
No, he's in Mombasa. Mombasa.
Come to Kenya, we've got lions.
I'm gonna be king of Pride Rock.
Oh, goody.
Wake up in the morning feeling like Winehouse.
Hey, what up,
grab
girl?
my breezer, I'm out the door.
Back home, we got a saying. If you're gonna ride in the Kentucky Derby, you don't leave your prize stallion in the stable.
A curious metaphor, Doctor, as a stallion must first be broken before it can reach its potential.
If you don't tell me your name, I'm gonna have to make one up.
It's
No way, that's the name I was gonna make up for you.
Kiss the nod, quiz itself to be a slut.
Kayla, who is he?
Who's who?
The mouth breather hiding under your bed.
You can hear me breathing?
You.
Big day tomorrow.
You're gonna fail.
Gayla, see you around.
Get out.
If I pass, will you tell me your first name?
No! Good night.
I think the fact that you picked up a transmission is very interesting.
Jizz in my pants.
It's just so hard when you're so cute and I'm so horny and there's only a couple of thin layers of cotton separating our genitals.
I will be back.
You better be.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody. And I'm king? What'll that make you?
A monkey's uncle.
You mustn't be afraid to dream a little bigger, darling.
I would cite regulation, but I know you will simply ignore it. See, we are getting to know each other.
We running this town just like a club, and no, you don't wanna mess with us. Get on my necklace.